My name is Dennis Fink. I am an inventor, purely by accident. I invented pet steps for short-legged animals, jug grips for the Yeti 1-gallon jug, and Invention FYI, my guide to putting your products on the market. This whole thing started with an idea. I had an idea for pet steps for small animals, and I went ahead and patented it, and now I sell it on the market, purely by accident. I was in the construction industry. What do I know about inventing? I found out a lot. I tried to put this on the market. It took me 3 years to get on the market because I tried to find help to put it on the market, and there was nobody out there to help me. So I'm going to talk about my guide. This guide is all the information you need to put your product on the market. I didn't have this information when I did this product. I had no idea. That's why it took me 3 years. Once I found out how to do it, I went ahead and marketed this, and we're marketing that. There are steps that you need to take, and I didn't know what those steps were. I found out through a friend of mine, but there was no help for me. The help that is online are to help you take money out of your bank. I'm an honest person. I'm extremely honest. I've been in the construction industry since 1979. I lived in a smaller area in Florida, and you had to be honest to work in that area because you ran into your customers every single day. I'm an honest person. I don't want to hear a crook thief. I want to hear good job. Good job, Dennis. So when I had this product and I tried to find help, all I found was people taking my money and running with it. Honesty. There was no honesty left. There was nothing. There was no honor in being honest. They just wanted to steal your money, and that's what I ran into. So when I put this together, once I figured out all the steps through a friend, I said, I need to share this because I don't know where you're going to find the information. I have no idea where you're going to find this information from. So when I got it from my buddy, I went ahead and put it on the market with his blessing. And that's what this whole thing was based on. I got tired of being screwed. I got tired of hearing people getting screwed, and there was no recourse. There was nothing we can do about it. So I decided to put it all in a guide. In this guide, I have the names of the people I do work with to get this product on the market. I have my attorney is in this guide for my patent. I don't know about any other patent attorneys. Sometimes you hear some crooked things about patent attorneys. I got an honest one. Everybody in this guide is honest. Everybody in this guide has helped me get this product, and this product on the market. And behind this wall, I'm working on another one. And after that one, I got another one coming. And I'm going to use the same people that are in this guide because those are the honest people. You don't have to search for people who are going to be honest. They're already in the guide. I have all the steps that you need to take to get this product to market. 3 years to get this thing in the market, 4 months, maybe half, and that one 3.5 months. Because I have all the steps with the people I work with, the people I trust. I call them, these are my team. You don't need to go out there and see if you can find somebody. I already got them. In this guide, all the steps. In this guide, all the tips that you need to know. Names of people. I even got a Chinese manufacturer who developed this one in China. They're hard to find. They're easy to find a manufacturer in China. They're hard to find an honest one. Got one. I got a list of licensing companies who are looking for new products in this guide. Everything you need to know in this guide. There are new procedures coming that you need to know about for the future in this business. You need to know they're in this guide. So you make the decision. I charge $350 for this guide. For this information with all the other companies out there, you can pay thousands of dollars, thousands and thousands of dollars. $20,000 is definitely not a stretch at all. You may be charged a whole lot more than $20,000. This industry is based on How much are you willing to pay to get this product in the market? That's what it comes down to. This is a very dishonest industry. Nobody regulates it. The only way you can get regulated is by suing somebody, and we all know what that's going to cost. So to avoid all that stuff, guaranteed, buy that guide, you'll have your products in the market, guaranteed. Everything you need to know is right there. InventionFYI.com. Get it. Let me know how it worked out. I know how it's going to work out for you. Give me a review. I appreciate it. Thank you.